Hey besties, it's Becca, and today's video we are reviewing the brand Amique. They have two round brushes that they sent me to try and their detangling brush. All these products are gold to me. I love them so much. My go-to look is a good blowout, round out look on my hair. It can be achieved at home, not in a salon, at home to get that effect. And in this video, we were reviewing these brushes and I'm going to show you how I get the best salon hairstyle. By Amique, a bunch of their hair products. They have a round blowout brush, they have a regular hair brush, they have a round blowout brush, another one that's probably thicker. Speeds up drying time, increases shine, and prevents hair damage. And it's their round brush. I'll link the site down below so you guys can check it out and buy. I think they also have a promo code that they are giving to me that I will link down in this video. And then they also have another 10%, I think, on their website. It's such a cute color. Like, this is so me. I love it. This is their 1.7 inch brush. In the box, it gives you hair clips. Like, how cute. Let's just open these up because I'm curious. I love a good round brush, guys. I love the look. Oh, it comes with two and it matches the little brush. That's so cute. This one is their 1.3 inch brush. So we're gonna look at this one. I think they all come with clips. So if you do buy from this company, you will get clips as well. Everyone needs clips. I know I'm probably gonna like this one better for my hair just because my hair is short. And this is the 1.3 inch round brush. Also sent me their regular hairbrush to try because your girl, hello. You always need, oh, it's pink. Okay. I like that it's like kind of like inward, the brush. Wow. If you have damaged hair like me, this will probably be the perfect brush for you because it's just so easy to bend and doesn't pull and rip your hair. We're gonna try the 1.3 brush out on my hair. I'm gonna go wet my hair a little bit more and then we can start the blow drying effect. Wow, this is like really nice. Okay, this is amazing. This is probably the best brush I have ever tried. I can't even make this up. Do you guys see that beautiful shine? Wow. This is amazing. So we're just gonna go and blow dry the rest of her hair and I'll fast forward it so you guys are not so bored with watching me do it because it won't take me that long, but you know. I'm gonna try the bigger one on this side just to see how it will be, just to try it, you know. Doesn't ever hurt to try. I do like my ends more rounded out, so I tend to stay more focused on the ends with rounding them out. It's like the perfect blowout look. Honestly, you just go like this, section by section. I definitely recommend the 1.3 inch round brush. I feel like you have more control and you get more texture, especially if you're short hair like me. It's kind of harder to get the blowout look. The 1.7, it does a really good job, but I feel like it would just do so much better on someone that has at least like hair up to here or longer hair. This hair color is absolutely to die for. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love this brush as well. It's very easy to go throughout your hair. Like it just, look at that, guys. And I like the bend on it, honestly. It's just very easy to move and it just feels good on the hand. And I think that's a very important thing for me, is to have something that feels good on the hand. Same with these brushes, they're very gentle and easy to move, so they're not going to pull and rip your hair out. I prefer these over like the heat ones. I don't know, I feel like you get more control and better results with using like the good old-fashioned round brush, you know? Nothing better than that. And this is what the hair salon uses anyways, you know what I mean? And you can buy everything that I've showed you guys on their website. Oh my gosh, these ones are different. These ones are like shiny. Okay, like so, wow, like put on your makeup. And it comes with it, so if you guys don't wanna buy it separately, it comes in the box when you buy a round brush, so you don't even have to worry. Give this video a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye, guys.